So looking at the sort of daily range, where we're really seeing a sort of a very bullish sort of pattern emerge. We're also seeing a sort of when we go into a little bit further, especially the 4-hourly chart, we can probably see it being a bit clearer that there's a new sort of range that's formed. So it's broken out of that range, and now it's really forming into another sort of range. So really looking at this sort of range to see if there's any sort of continuation of the actual upward trend, or otherwise some consolidation or like a pullback. For me personally, I'm looking at that sort of higher range to see if there's any positions to short. So really looking at that sort of resistance around that 3660 point with a tight sort of stop loss, especially since it's really going against the trend. So I'm expecting maybe like a pullback just before maybe a resumption. Otherwise, if it does, for example, pull back, I'm really looking at the previous sort of support to see whether that's going to bounce off. So probably that 3520 range. Otherwise, if that does break, I'm more sort of bearish. But it is really interesting to see, especially with the easing cycle. So we'll touch on why gold's actually on a sort of bullish trend at the moment. But yeah, that's probably where I'm looking at